Here in chapter 6a, we're talking about reflexive verbs. We've seen lots of reflexive verbs. We've seen reflexives where the action happens to the person doing it. You do it to yourself. We've seen where we do it to each other. And here's now a third way to use reflexive verbs. They're going to conjugate the same way as reflexive verbs, but be careful because they don't have the same meaning. So do what you've always done. Take the say, move it out front, change it, may, te, say, no, say, and then deal with your verb, conjugate it in whatever tense you'd like, present, preterite, imperfect, for the subject. These verbs express that someone gets or becomes. So it gets an action or becomes an action. Here are some examples you will see. Aburrirse, casarse, divertirse, dormirse, enojarse, ponerse, volverse loca. And in fact, a lot of these are vocab. Let's write down the definitions just so you have them all in one spot here. Aburrirse, to get bored. Casarse, to get married. Divertirse, to have fun, like divertido. Aburrirse is like aburrido, bored. Dormirse, to fall asleep. Enojarse, to become angry. If there's a adjective you want to use that doesn't have a specific verb like enojarse, aburrirse, you could say to become happy, to become maybe tired. Okay. We can use ponerse. And lastly, volverse loco, to go crazy. So it's not just to be bored or to be married, it's that get. To fall asleep, it's not to sleep, it's to get to sleep. So it has a little bit different meaning than what we might expect. Por ejemplo, Marina se puso alegre después de ganar. So here I use the verb ponerse, took the se, moved it out front, and I actually put it in the preterite this time. So she got happy after winning. She became happy after winning. I could have said se pone, se ponía, although a lot of times these are more often used in the preterite or the present than maybe the imperfect and in fact the ways we know it. So conjugate it just like a regular verb, but no, it means get or become.